Let me start with something important. Cataract does not just happen. It develops slowly, quietly, over time. And if you understand what causes cataract, you can't protect your vision better. So today, let's talk about the real causes of cataract. First, a quick reminder. A cataract is the clouding of the natural lens inside your eye. That lens is supposed to be clear, like clean glass, but when it becomes cloudy, light cannot pass through properly. That is when vision becomes blurry, dull, or foggy. Now the big question. What causes cataract? 1. Aging, the most common cause. The number one cause of cataract is aging. As we grow older, the proteins in the lens begin to break down and clump together. This creates cloudiness. It is a natural process. That is why cataracts are very common after age 50, but natural does not mean harmless. Aging is the leading cause, but not the only one. 2. Diabetes. High blood sugar damages many parts of the body, including the eyes. People with diabetes develop cataracts earlier and faster than others. Excess sugar changes the structure of the lens and causes swelling and clouding. If you have diabetes, regular eye checkups are not optional. They are necessary. 3. Excessive sunlight UV exposure. Too much exposure to ultraviolet UV rays from the sun increases the risk of cataract. Sunlight may feel harmless, but long-term UV exposure damages the lens proteins. This is especially important in sunny climates. Wearing UV protective sunglasses is not fashion. It is protection. 4. Smoking. Smoking increases oxidative stress in the body. It releases harmful chemicals that damage the eye lens. Studies consistently showed that smokers have a higher risk of developing cataracts. The longer and heavier the smoking, the greater the risk. Your eyes are not immune to cigarette damage. 5. Long-term steroid use. Steroid medications, especially when used for long periods, can increase the risk of cataract. This includes oral steroids, steroid eye drops, some inhalers. Steroids change the metabolism of the lens, leading to clouding. This is why steroid use should always be monitored by a doctor. 6. Eye injury. Trauma to the eye can cause what is called a traumatic cataract. A direct hit, accident, or penetrating injury can damage the lens structure. Sometimes cataracts develop immediately after injury. Other times they appear years later. Even one serious injury can trigger cataract formation. 7. Previous eye surgery. Some people develop cataracts after certain eye surgeries. For example, after retinal surgery, the risk increases. This does not mean surgery is bad. It means the eye has been stressed or altered. 8. Family history. Genetics also play a role. If your parents developed cataracts early, you may have a higher risk. You cannot change your genes, but you can monitor your eyes more closely. 9. Poor nutrition. The lens depends on antioxidants to stay clear. A diet low in vitamins, especially vitamin C and antioxidants, may increase cataract risk. Your eyes reflect your overall health. What you eat matters. 10. Congenital cataract present at birth. Some babies are born with cataracts. This may be due to genetic conditions, infections during pregnancy, metabolic disorders, though rare. Congenital cataracts require early treatment to prevent permanent vision loss. Now listen carefully. Cataract usually develops slowly. It does not cause pain in most cases, and that is why many people ignore it. They adjust to blurry vision. They change glasses repeatedly. They avoid night driving. They accept dulled colors as normal. But cataract is progressive. It does not reverse on its own. Here is the good news. While aging cannot be stopped, many risk factors can be reduced. Control your blood sugar. Protect your eyes from UV rays. Stop smoking. Eat a balanced diet. Avoid unnecessary steroid use. Get regular eye exams. Small habits today protect your vision tomorrow. Let me leave you with this. Your eyes are exposed to the world every day. Light, heat, pollution, and stress. They work constantly. Understanding the causes of cataract gives you power. Power to prevent, power to detect early, power to act at the right time. Because clear vision is not a luxury. It is your right. Protect it. See well.